ito naman yung mga other investment products lang para ma maano nyo, no? IN5. Okay. Para malaman lang natin. Mabilis lang po ito. Okay. So, ito yung mga other investments natin na po pwede nating tignan, ano? Para alam nyo lang. Okay, so meron tayong co-op investing. Lagi ko naman yung pinopromote, di ba? Yung sa co-ops natin. This is still considered a high-risk investment. Pero mataas yung kanyang social impact. Kaya gustong-gusto ko tong co-op investing. So, gumamit tayo ng co-op pesos score natin. Ang hahanapin natin ay 80 points at least. Tapos 10 years na sana sila na nandoon uh, doon sa kanilang head of in existence, and they own their head office, hindi sila nag re-rent. Okay? And then, okay. Personal equity retirement account. So, this is actually some sort of like, marami siyang, pwedeng investment doon sa loob ng pera account. So, we also have this as non-OFWs up to 100,000 maximum yung nilalagay namin. Sa OFWs kasi hanggang 200,000, no? So, ito ay voluntary account pangdagdag ng retirement. May tax benefit siya, and you can only withdraw your investment once you reach 55 years old. So, sa akin, that would be 10 years from now. So, yun, no? Yan yung pera account. So, yung pera account, pwede tayong may UITF yan, may mutual fund siya, may annuity siya, may insurance pension product. So, iba-iba. Mamimili ka din dun sa loob ng pera account. Pre-need pension, shares of stock, exchange traded fund, government securities, yan yung mga laman nun. Okay? Another investment product, pwede rin na invest ka sa franchise, ano? Kasi i-operate mo na lang yan. Kailangan mo lang siyang aralin ng mabuti, no? At kumuha ka ng franchise na medyo ginagamit mo na, malapit yung puso mo doon, and tried and tested yung brand. Okay? Another one, yung mga cryptocurrencies, no? Yan, ayoko po yan, ano? So hindi po, wag po tayong pumasok diyan. Cryptocurrency, decentralized siya, blockchain technology ang ginagamit. Walang institution or individual na nagde-determine ng value ng cryptocurrency. So it's really just up to the market, kaya very volatile siya. Admittedly, pataas yung market ngayon, pero nakakakaba para sa akin. Pag nangyayari yan sa Bitcoin, mas kinakabahan ako more than anything. Kahit na, di ba nakakatawa, magkano lang yung exposure ko, nasa 5,000 piso lang, ay kinakabahan ako. Ayan. So it's not regulated. That's why I don't like it. Kapag may nangyari sa'yo, nako, kanino ka magreklamo. So ako, kasi yung cryptocurrency, pwedeng dumiretso ka dun sa blockchain. Dun talaga, wala kang tatakbuhan. No? Yung sa akin, I do it with I do it with Maya. Yung Maya savings, yung sa kalaban ng Globe. No? So kapag nagka-problema, pwede kong puntahan yung Maya at kausapin sila. Pero sa halagang 5,000 pesos. Oh, si Leia, nagdilang gold. Sabi niya, what are my thoughts on gold investments? Oh, ayan. So, ito naman yung sa gold investing natin, ano? Investment ba siya? So, kung mag-invest tayo sa gold, yun lang tayo dun sa bullion na tinatawag, no? Yung sa mga coins, or blocks, or bars. Kasi kapag nagtitrade ng gold, yung craftsmanship nawawala. Kasi literally po, tinutunaw yun kapag tinitrade na. Yung mga, di ba sinusubasta, tinutunaw yun. Tapos gagawing coins or blocks or bars, which is the bullion. So, okay naman yan kung bullion ka mag-invest. Yung jewelry, yan yung gold with workmanship or craftsmanship. So may value na daw yung craftsmanship. Pero kapag trinade mo siya, gold per gram, tinatanggal yung workmanship, no? So kung maganda man yan o hindi, kasi yun napaka-subjective niyan. Yung magandang gold na 1 gramo at hindi magandang gold na 1 gramo, at the end of the day, pareho pa rin silang 1 gram. Ayan. So, gold investing is done with bullion and not in jewelry. Okay? Weight is important in gold investing rather than workmanship. Okay? So, ang gold jewelry as an investment, so bought from professional and trustworthy sources, can give certificates from international recognized gemological institute. Pero hindi rin ako believer nito, no? Consider the name of the designer, ganyan. So, um, sa totoo lang, Leia, no, if you're asking me, ang bagong ang bagong gold equivalent sa panahon natin ay Bitcoin. Kasi yung gold, meron pa nga siyang industrial use eh. Pero una, hindi rin siya hindi siya business, hindi siya nag-create ng interest or dividend, wala siya, store of value siya. Ganon din yung Bitcoin. So, yun, hindi rin ako nag-i-invest sa Bitcoin. Ito yung aking, hindi man siya investment kasi commitment ring yan. So, yun. Okay? I hope I answered your question. So, it's a no for me, yung gold investment, in my opinion. Okay. Hospital stocks. So hospital stocks, corporate offices of hospitals, kailangan registered sila and approved by the SEC. Kasi ang nakikita ko, maraming mga hospital stocks nag-o-offer sila more than 19 investors pero hindi sila public corporation. So may mga may secondary license kasi dapat nakukunin yun eh. So siguraduhin nyo lang na may secondary license sila. So may other benefits kasi yan dahil you can get discounts for the hospital room, mga doctors, no? At mga operating rooms and delivery rooms. Kaya maraming na-attract dito. Pero you just have to make sure na pag nag-retire ka or ano, doon ka talaga sa may malapit na hospital na yon, no? At doon ka talaga magkakasakit, kumbaga. So medyo mahaba yung foresight mo dapat dito. Okay? It can earn dividends, no, from the stock. It can be a good alternative for health insurance. So yun. Pero ako, admittedly, wala pa po akong experience sa hospital stocks. Babalitaan ko kayo kapag nagkameron. Ayan. So, yan yung ating building and fortifying our investment portfolio. Ako po si Sir Vince, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.